Hi, this is Abhinav Singh Katal, and I'm an intern with the Sparks Foundation. So, this is the video for the task 5 that was given to us based on the data science and business analytics internship. And this is regarding the super sample store that we have to do the data analysis part. We have to create visualizations uh, and create a storyboard. So first of all, I started it with normally Python on Jupyter notebook. I thought I'll just do something with Python. So initially it's Python. I've imported the necessary libraries: pandas, matplotlib, pyplot, numpy. I've also uploaded Seaborn. I've not used it anyway. So I've just loaded the data into the data variable and just have tried to visualize see the data.head, only the 5 rows. So I just saw that there are uh, lot of columns are there, and obviously the data is also there for those columns. So I just tried to see the shape of the data, that is data.shape, and I saw that it's almost like 1,000 rows and 13 columns are there. So I tried to count. Suppose I took the first column, that is the ship mode. So I thought how many distinct values are there and how many values for those distinct values are there. So they are like standard class, second class, first class, same day. So 4 distinct values with these number of entries are there. Same thing I did with segment. So consumer, corporate, home office, 3 are there. Country is only 1. I found out city is counts a lot of counts is there. So like 531 counts is there. For state, I think 40 something. So I don't know, it's like almost like 47 to 49 states are there. So I tried to do some things. I thought these 3 columns are not necessary for the data analysis part, that country, postal code, discount. So I just tried to drop it and see how the data looks now. And I did some things with it. So I taken up another data in which I've stored sales and profit, and try to just do something with it. Try to plot it through matplotlib. I tried to label in code also. Anyway, so I thought it's a very lengthy process. So as I did not have any training on Tableau, I never used it. So I decided to give a take on it and give a shot at it, and I tried to see what I can do with Tableau, how I can learn it. So next thing I've done it's with Tableau. So this is what I've done with Tableau. I learned it in almost half an hour, and I tried to do it. This is my first thing that I'm doing on Tableau. I just installed it and I did it, and now I'm recording it. So this is the data that is I have uploaded on Tableau, and this is how it is shown in this. It's pretty cool. All the columns and rows are given. So now I've gone to the sheets. This is the data. So one thing is, these are the data types that are already given, like this is string. This is one pretty cool feature in this, that you can give it a data type like a country data type. So you can just graphic roll it to country. Similarly, the state thing to state, you can just do it. So I've created, according to this, I've created some graphs according to it. So what in the end I've done is I've created a dashboard like this, but I'll do it with the story, as it's written that you have to explain it through a storyboard. So I've just tried to do it. So as we could see that in the data, if I just see the data here, so the most important part is the profit thing, because that is what is needed for a business, the profit. and obviously after that sales. So how much sales is happening, and out of that how much profit is we are making. So these two things are very important. Now the categories are like we are these this company is uh, selling furnitures in three categories: furnitures, office supplies, and technology. So these three categories are there in which this company deals over the whole United States, over the whole, I think 47 48 states are there in United States. And out of those subcategories are, see, like this chairs, it obviously comes under furniture, bookcases come under furniture. In those categories there are subcategories. So these are the things that they are selling. They're also selling phones, which comes under technology. So like that, they are selling in different states of United States, and they have certain ship modes also. So these are ship mode, like 3 4 ship modes are there: first class, second class, uh, same day. So we will see according to everything that how is it, I mean, what's the analysis of all this data. So I've just made a story out of it. So this is the first slide in which we can see that it is a representation of the category that we discussed. Three categories are there: wise, sales. So these things, three things are telling us that how much furniture has been sold. So this is the sales part. How much almost 7,42,000 furnitures have been sold. So office supply, same thing, something 7 lakh, technology something 8 lakh. So the sales wise, it's going good. It's consistent in all the three categories. It's a good thing. So I don't think there is any improvement needed in sales part as of now. So next, if we go, we see what's the profit that we make out of those sales. So these are the category wise profit. First one is a furniture. Actually, if we see the technology and the office supplies part, so these both are doing good business. They are giving some profits, a good amount of profits actually, but this furniture part is not giving that much profit. See, it's 6.44 of the whole, 6.44%. So it's giving a profit just of around 18,000, while the others are giving more than a lakh or 1,50,000, something like that. So furniture is something we can look into. We have to push the furniture part more than the rest of the things. We can uh, we can do meetings about that in different states that we'll see afterwards. But we should do something about the furniture part that is happening, because it's the sales is good but the profit is not there. So at least we can increase the sales part also in the furniture if we have to make the profit anyway. So this is this subcategory wise sales profit, that those three categories have all these things that this company is selling. So this is the sales part, the below one, and this is the profit part. So the sales part, according to accessories, appliances, is much. See, it's art. The sales is not that much. The envelopes not that much. Fasteners less. Labels less. Supplies are also less. So, but one thing we can see here is that some of the profits are in negative. Like for bookcases, this also come under the furniture part. Fasteners, I think, come under furniture. Then tables are there, come under furniture. So because of bookcases, fasteners, and tables, mainly because of tables, because it's too much negative. It's negative 17,000. So I think we have to focus more on the tables part. That we have to see that what is the actual problem that people are facing with the tables. The sales is good, but why the profit is not happening. So we can do something about the tables. Then we can look into supplies, fasteners, bookcases also. Rest of the things, it's pretty much going okay, but this is the priority one thing. The tables part is the priority one thing that we have to just fix it as soon as possible. So this is the same representation, but uh, in a different way. It's a bubble thing. Same subcategory wise, the profit. Here also we can see that the maximum profit is earned by the bigger bubbles. The biggest bubble, I think, copiers and phones, accessories. These are the maximum profit earning things. We can increase the sales also because they are making more profit. We can increase the sales to get more profit. This is this one thing that we can do about it. And these small things, they are almost in negatives or very very small. They're like fasteners are there, envelopes, machines. I think three negatives are there. It's showing three negatives which are not even shown. So those three negatives are the same negatives as, I think, supplies, tables, and one more thing is there. So these things, three things, we have to get on it as soon as possible. Do something about it. So this is one category, was one column was there, which was the ship mode. So this also gives us certain understanding of how the customers are taking, would prefer to take up uh, their appliances or their things from us, the products. So as we can see, the standard class, I think, is something, you just ship to us and let it reach us naturally when it reaches. First class is something, I think, if it reaches in maybe 2 or 3 days, something like that. Second class in like 3 to 5 days. Same days, like if you have ordered today, it will reach today. If ordered in during the night, maybe it will reach the next day, something like that. So it's a same day delivery. So the same day delivery, not much people have ordered, like 5.55%. So people like to order things, but they wanted, I mean, they are not bothered about how, when it reaches or how it reaches to you. They're more bothered about the quality of it, not the quality of when it reaches. So very few people are going towards the first class ship mode, or the second class, or same day is very less. They just want the product, that's it. So ship mode, we can only deduce one thing: they just want the product. They need the quality of the product, not how it is delivered. So this is a state wise. This I've done with the map thing. State wise profit. uh, every state is given where the business is of this company, Superstore, and those state names are given, and the profit there which is happening in those particular states, I have also included that. So like Washington, it's kind of one of the high profitable states. California is one of, is, I think, the highest profitable states. Similarly, Minnesota is very high. So these are the high profit states. So if we see the negative or the loss states, we can just see that Oregon is one of them. Then Texas is a huge negative state. It's going in so much loss. Florida is going in so much loss. So North Dakota, not much profit. South Dakota, not much profit. So I think this part, the west part, is giving you some great profits. The middle part is still, I mean, only the Texas part is not good. It's the lowest, and here Pennsylvania is negative. So we can focus these states: Illinois, Ohio. So the urgent would be maybe Texas. We can look into Texas part because the profit is not happening here. So this is a state-wise profit thing that is uh, going on in the United States of this business. So we can just check mark also the states which we don't want, or the states only which we want to see. The Kansas, okay, 836 is there, so I can just zoom out. This is the Kansas state, 836. You can take Kentucky also, Louisiana also. So like this, you can take the whole United States into account. Yeah, so this is what I've made. This is the story I've made, and this is the first story I've ever made on Tableau. And today only I learned it and did it. So yeah, thank you so much.